Good morning, children. Today's date is 24th of August and the year is 2021. Today's day is Tuesday, and in our phonics class we'll be learning a new sound. We'll be learning sound of the letter E. Today, children, we'll be learning the sound of this letter. So the name of this letter is E. This is the capital E. Yes. And the sound for this letter is E. Okay, it's going to be a quick one. E. This one is lowercase letter E. Yes, we'll be learning how to write this a little later. And the sound of this letter is E. Okay, so the name of the letter is E. And the sound, which is very important, we need the sound when we are reading. We need to know the sound of the letter when we are reading. So the sound of this letter is E. Yes, can we do it together? A quick one. E. Yes, you don't have to stretch it. It's a short E sound. E. Have a look at few pictures here that begin with the sound E. Yes, as in E, elephant, E, egg, E, envelope, E, elevator is the lift. Yes, another name for lift is the elevator. E, empty. Yes, this glass is empty. Yes, whatever was there inside, water or milk, is finished. It is empty. E, empty. This is an animal. E, elk. Yes. E, eggplant. It's a vegetable. E, excited. Yes. So what emotion is he depicting? He's very excited. E, excited means to be very happy. E, exercise. Yes, this girl is performing some exercise. Now this is our body part. E, elbow. E, Eskimo. Yes, so people who live in igloos. Yes, and because it is so cold over there. Yes, it is totally covered with ice. They have to really cover themselves with warm clothes. Yes, so they are called Eskimo. And this is elf. Yes, these are short people, short in height. They are called elf. Yes, you must have heard this name elf when you are listening to stories about princess. Yes, this name comes often there, elf. Yes, so let's have a look again at these words. E, elephant. E, egg. E, envelope. E, elevator. E, empty. E, elk. E, eggplant. E, excited. E, exercise. E, elbow. E, Eskimo. E, elf. Yes, all these words here begin with the sound E. Yes, they all begin with the letter E. That's the name of the letter. And they all begin with the sound E. Children, now coming to the homework sheet, I would like you to take a printout of the sheet or copy the sheet in your literacy notebook. If you're taking a printout, after you complete the sheet, attach the sheet to your literacy notebook. Okay, so that it does not get misplaced. Okay, so now coming to the sheet. Yes, so this is a picture of an elf. Yes, the dwarf, the small men I said, they are called elves. Yes, elf. Now fill in the bubble for each picture that begins with the same sound. Yes, so we have to color the bubbles. You have bubbles here underneath every picture. So you have to color only those bubbles, yes, which begin with the sound E. as an elf. Yes. So this first picture is of a crate which is containing many bottles of juice. Yes, so this is a crate. Now the word crate, does it begin with the sound E? No. So you don't color the bubble here. The next one is picture of an egg. Egg. Yes, it begins with the same sound as an elf. Yes, so you color the bubble here, and you can color the picture as well. Next is the picture of a duck. Yes, now the word duck, does it begin with the sound E? No, it begins with the sound D. So do not color the bubble here. The next picture here is, which body part is this? Elbow. Yes, so the word elbow begins with the sound E. Yes, so you can color the bubble here. Yes, the next picture is of a knife, or you can say it's an axe. Yes, used for cutting things. Yes, so the word axe, or does it begin with the sound E? No, it begins with the sound A. We are looking for the sound that begins with a quick E. Yes, so this does not begin, so you do not color this bubble. The next is the picture of a lion. Now the word lion, does it begin with the sound E? No, it begins with the sound L. Yes, so you do not color this picture. Do not color the bubble. The next is a picture of a pig. Yes, now the word pig, does it begin with the sound E? No, it begins with the sound P. Yes, so you do not color the picture. The next is a picture of a comb. Yes, so you use this to detangle your hair. Comb. Yes, so it does not begin with the sound E, but it begins with the sound K. And here we are looking for birds, pictures that begin with the sound E. Yes, so you do not color the bubble here. The next is the picture of an envelope. Now the word envelope begins with the sound E. Yes, so you can color the picture. And you can color the bubble as well. Next is a picture of an elephant. Yes, now the word elephant begins with the sound E. Yes, so you can color the picture of the elephant as well as the bubble down. The next is the picture of pencil. Yes, so pencils begin with the sound P and not with E. So you do not color it. Do not color the bubble either. The next is a picture of a jellyfish. Yes, now the word jellyfish begins with the sound J and not with the sound E. So you do not color the picture nor the bubble. Yes, so this way you're going to complete the sheet. You have to look at the picture, recognize what it is, and if it begins with the sound E, you color it and you color the bubble as well. And if it does not begin with the sound E, you just leave it like that. Okay, so children, you can complete this sheet and send it to me by tomorrow. Happy learning.